Offering powerful software and hardware, Hexagon supports innovators in optimizing every stage of product development and production. Manufacturers know accurate measurements are key to product quality and customer satisfaction. Selecting the right software can make or break manufacturing success. When considering features and support, you must also consider the strength of the company. Hexagon's financial strength and leading product portfolio makes it the right choice. Inspire is easy-to-use metrology inspection software for portable probing and scanning. It makes measurements simple, saves time, and improves productivity. With one interface, Inspire works with any portable measuring arm, laser tracker, and other common 3D measurement instruments. Built on an intuitive user interface, intelligent workflows enable efficient inspection. It's easy to import and use all native CAD formats. Inspire addresses ASME and ISO standard GD&T requirements. Inspire is easy to learn with minimal training. It reduces software interaction, so users spend more time measuring and less time navigating software menus. Python scripting is included, and you'll never need to add another module. There's nothing to buy after the first install. It's a low-cost, high-value solution. Inspire has a simple user interface. Common tasks are easy to figure out with little instruction. Inspire solves difficult applications while being easy enough to learn on your own. For repetitive projects, it's easy to create predefined measurement routines. You don't need scripting knowledge to make them. Inspire integrates with metrology reporting, making interactive data based on real-time information and insights. To learn more, visit hexagon.com/inspire.